do the Gracey, you simply flip the guide around, place the ping ring on the end of the guide again, and this time, because it's a curette and you want it to maintain its original toe, you still place the middle of the back of the instrument against the backstop. You rest the terminal shank down onto the rest bar, and you pendulum swing the instrument, but this time when the toe comes off the back of the guide, you stop when the toe reaches the guide as well. To do the other cutting edge, you simply flip the instrument, place the middle of the back of the blade against the back of the guide, rest the terminal shank on the rest bar, and again, start your pendulum swing, taking the toe off the back of the guide and bringing it back until it rests against the backstop. So again, just to remind you, stop, rest, glide. Always making sure that you stop to test so that you don't over sharpen the instrument.